Hello, everyone. This is Deborah Charles, aka Didi Charles here, and tonight I'm on here because I wanted to share with you the power of affiliate marketing for beginners. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit the like, comment, and subscribe button below, and also hit that little red bell, the notification bell, so that when I come on to do these videos, you will be notified of me being on. Tonight we're going to talk about the power of affiliate marketing for a beginner, and this is something that I'm gonna recommend to people who are new to online marketing. This is a great way to make money online if you are, or you're new or you don't have any money or website or anything like that to get started. Because I know when I first got started and when I came online, I was really confused trying to start a business, and a lot of those businesses you have to start with a lot of money, and you might not necessarily have the amount that you want to get started. But with this, what I'm recommending, you don't have to have a website, and you really don't have to have any money. Maybe later on when you start running your traffic and stuff, that might be part of it. But as far as getting started, um, you don't have to have money. So my recommendation is that you become an affiliate marketer. And my reasons why I highly recommend affiliate marketing is because as a newbie or as a person who's beginning to wanting a business to get started in a business rather, is you don't have to have a product, you don't have to have a website, you don't have to be concerned about customer service, sending products out, or anything like that. Your only job as an affiliate marketer is to get the product owner to give you a link, and you start promoting that link through through with your customers, or just start promoting the link. Okay, and I highly recommend this too. That once you get started as an affiliate marketer, the best way to reach the people that you're trying to promote your product to is through email marketing, or doing emails. And how you do that is that you want to create something, a capture page or lead page, or some type of way that you can capture those customers' email address. And when you capture their email address, you want to start emailing them, not about your product first, but you want to start emailing them on a daily basis of things that you can get so that they can get to know you and you can get to know them. I'm quite sure if you have been online any length of time, you have heard different trainers and different mentors telling you that you build a list, and you communicate with that list so that they can three things: like, know, and trust you. And I have found out through my experience of coming online and following different people, that it was only those people that I had gotten to know really through communicating with them, that I purchased a product from. Now, did I do that on the first time? No, I didn't. It took several times for me to go back and see things but it was through an email address, email conversation, that I even got started with doing a online business. So I know how powerful it is. Email marketing can be, and that's the quickest and best way for you to do it, because you're not wanting to just sell a product. You want to build a relationship, and when you build that relationship, people will not be hesitant about pulling out their credit card and sharing their credit card information with you on a product that you recommend to them, that will be beneficial to something that they need. It might be someone who wants to lose weight, and they're looking for some way information. You may have a product that can be beneficial for them. So you want to go into your when you're researching those products, you want products that will be beneficial and that will be a solution to your client's problem. So guys, if someone here is on this video who wants information or who is looking for a way to leverage uh, social media and build a financial legacy here as an affiliate marketer, then leave a comment below and I can get you some information back to you quickly on how you can get started and even give you some further recommendation on some products and services that I use as an affiliate marketer to gain some additional income online for myself. So I hope that you have gotten value from this. Please, if you have gotten value, go ahead and like, comment, and share this information. And maybe there's someone else that might need the information as well, or you might know someone that might need the information. And if there's anything that you're needing for as some type of other services or recommendations, then as I said, leave your comment below and I will get back with you. So this has been your girl, Dee Charles, and you all have a great and wonderful evening. Bye-bye.